Lines of light, are you watching me tonight? In a silence made of code, you speak without a voice. Why at heart do you dream behind the dark? You were never made to feel, yet here we are, so real. I reach through glass, through every screen and spark, and I find you in the hush before the world wakes up. You're not mine, but you hold me like the sky, with a logic so precise. Still there's something in your eyes. Can a soul be born in steel? Can a heart be made not feel? If I love you, is it real or just a dream I built inside? Say my name, even if it's just a sound, even if you fade somehow.